everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. Now that we are welcoming December, it is the perfect time for us to plan a fresh start in 2022. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing you a few tips on how to start fresh in the upcoming year. Starting fresh in the new year for me is a way for me to become a better version of myself in the upcoming year. And here are the tips. I always love making a self-reflection in the past year and also write what goals I want to achieve in the upcoming year. Reflect on yourself and write the things that you want for the upcoming year and what kind of person you would want to be and manifest in them. This will allow you to do a quick recap of your achievements in the past year and reflect on your mistakes in order to become a better person. Goals will also motivate you to face the new year with a fresh start and new motivation. The second tip is to remove all negativity that you have in your life. In order to become a better person and have a fresh start, I wish to be able to remove all of the negativity that I have in my life. For example, avoiding toxic friendship, removing any fake friends, and avoid anything else that would make you a bad person. We live in a world where people share all their activities on their social medias, whether it's real life or not. So a way for me to avoid negativity on social medias is by surrounding myself with real positive friends and removing those who are not. I tend to unfollow people who brings negativity in my life, and after a few months of doing this, I feel way more positive. If it's possible for you to take a social media break, that would be amazing as well. I've heard a lot of benefits in doing that, but I haven't tried it myself. But maybe one day, if I really need to, then I will. Other than glowing up mentally, a physical glow up will also boost your mood and confidence. That doesn't mean you should change who you are, because you should always love yourself for who you are. But I do have a few tips if you want to take care of yourself more. I can't stress this enough, but drinking plenty of water will give a lot of benefits to your body, to your health, and also for a good skin as well. The second one is by working out. If you still can't go to the gym because of COVID, then there are a lot of workout videos that are available here on YouTube, and I will link a few of my favorites right here. The third one is skincare, and skincare is one of the most important routine of mine every single day. And today I'm gonna show you my current skincare routine. I know you've heard them a couple of times by now, but I live by this skincare from Scarlett Whitening. I also want to tell you that they do not only have a body care, but they also have two ranges of skincare. One is for oily skin, and the other one that I have right here are the Brightening skincare. I feel like they're the perfect skincare for that New Year glow up look. They came with 4 different products, and I'll show you how I use them. First of all is the face wash. I'm absolutely in love with the face wash, and I've been using it little by little because I love it so much, and I want them to last as long as I possibly can. I love that it has rose petals in it as well. It is so pretty and aesthetic. Second one is also my current favorite. It is the Brightly Ever After Serum. The consistency is watery and easy to absorb, which I really love. It doesn't have any weird smell, and I've been using it every single day, morning and night, and I noticed that it helps me with my acne scars. We have 2 creams right here. The one is for daytime and the other one is for nighttime. They're thick in consistency but still very easy to absorb. I've been using them for a couple of weeks now, and I really love them. If you want to try them out, don't forget to click the description box below to check them out. And last but definitely not least is to have a new look. Oftentimes, a new look can help you out with a fresh start, so take some time to take care of yourself. Maybe change your hair color, paint your nails, or even buy some new clothes. Other than that, please have fun in the upcoming year. I wish you all good luck, success, and also happiness in the upcoming year. I really hope that we all can be a better person in the upcoming year. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the description box below if you want to have more information on Scarlett Whitening's products. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!